Hello there! Imagine this kind of setup in your home, supplying you with leafy vegetables. This is a very good setup, very simple idea behind the hydroponics. You can see we are planting here different types of leafy vegetables, but mainly two. We have lettuce, we have basil, and you can see the growth here, and you can see the concept we are adopting. Very simple concept, good growth, based on simple technique. A pump here that has been pushed inside. You can see the whole setup. I made a video regarding the whole process of making this system, which you can refer to, but by just looking at the structure you can be able to make it without me showing you how to cut a pipe. Anybody can cut a pipe. So you can see it is made up of T's. This is a T here, a T, 4-inch pipe T, and then the elbows there, up there, all the corners. Basically T's, corners, and a 4-inch pipe, you are good to go. And then you make your net cap holes. This is a very good growth compared to other techniques. Of course, we also have the cracking method, which also works well, but this based on pipe gives you better results. So this is what we have to show you. You can see the growth here, very big stem of basil. It's as if it is growing in soil, but it's just growing in hydroponic system. And these are the researches we are making at VLX Hydro Farm Research Center, and we are good to have good leafy, healthy vegetables. So this is what I had to share today. I keep sharing these videos. Somehow they are similar, but just to motivate you get into growing your healthy leafy vegetables. Of course, we have other systems here. This one you can see is also going to be based on a pump. You can see down there the water will be flowing from up, and then it goes through into a kind of a spiral format, like that, and then it gets down, it gets back to this reservoir, the basin. Same concept here we are going to apply, because we realize that water that flows based on a pump gives better results. But I'm not discouraging those who want to plant based on a cracking method. Cracking means you don't need to use a pump, but again you get results, good results. So here we have cracky, mainly cracky. All this is cracky, but again you can see the growth is good. Crack again means we've not put a pump. It's just water put in a kind of anything that can retain water, like these water gutters. Water gutters are used for construction. As you can see, this is my house, our family house. It has gutters up there, but you can repurpose them for hydroponics. So the water gutters are placed on the wall, and I've been harvesting this for the last 3 weeks, and I'm about to retire them so that I plant new ones. And the plant growth is good, and they are growing well. The lower part here is not coming through as expected. I think it's because of the sun, but again, let's see how it goes. But also the seedlings we use matter a lot. You might find that the seedlings we are using are not heat resistant, so you need to check on the environment of your place, your country, your region, to see that you plant seeds that are resistant to, that will cope up with the environment you are operating in or with the environment you live in. So I think this growth you can see is also good. So I don't want to discourage you that without a pump you can't do hydroponics. These are aging, we are about to change them, but we've harvested enough of it. This is of course lettuce, and here we have celery. So this is how we are doing, and as I keep saying, we need to embrace the future of farming based on hydroponic systems, and this is the future. In this case, you don't need to go to the store to buy these leafy vegetables, to buy lettuce. When you have such a system, you can spare a weekend, set it up, maybe 2 weekends, and set it up. Very simple concept, good results. The nutrients are sold on Amazon, in these different stores. There are stores that do sell hydroponic products, so you can always get there and buy and set up your systems. Then the last one I want to show you here, another setup. This is another setup based on styrofoam boxes. Again, very simple. You can refer to my previous videos to see how I make these net cap holes. Very simple mechanism. Then lastly, this setup is amazing. Imagine you have buckets. You can have 10 buckets, and you plant your you plant your leafy vegetables or leafy plants in there. You can see this setup is very simple. You can see how we've made it. Of course, maybe you need a video on how you make it. This is celery. This is lettuce, is growing very fast, and the concept we are using is quite simple. Let me pull it out. You can see how we've made it. It has a cloth because we were trying to tap into the water down there, and we're also trying to make sure the roots get immersed in water, and also to make sure that the sponge, there's a sponge on there, does not get doesn't get too much water. So this is the setup you can also adopt, and you'll be able to grow plants hydroponically. Thank you very much, and I wish you good growth. Thank you. Bye for now.